Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, it definitely does look like we have a completion of a five-way pattern here, which I think is a completion of a bigger pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, it does look like we have the end of a wave 5 of 5. It's going to be interesting to see how this monthly candle closes, because if it does close, holding below this structure, then I think it probably does prove the wave 5 really is complete. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely very, very impulsive move down. Now I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here, just in case it does decide to make a Fibonacci bounce, a nice big break and structure to the upside on the sort of time frames. I definitely would still keep a close eye out just in case it does decide to trend up. But more than likely, what's going to happen now is it's probably going to make a five-way pattern to the downside for like a wave 1 or possibly a wave A. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this definitely looks more like a trend to me. Kind of looks like there's a 1, 2, 3 in here, which makes me think this is like a wave forward. It's probably going to push down again. And based on what I see on the higher time frames, if this really is the end of a wave 5 of 5, then this may actually just be a subdivision of a much, much bigger downtrend. Like I said, a wave 1 or a wave A. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. For me, I am definitely still looking for shorts. Unless it goes way up here and breaks that structure, I'm only a seller, and I'm only looking to sell at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. So I'm definitely waiting for three-way pullbacks for more shorting opportunities. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, if we zoom out just a little bit, you can see that I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole push down right here. We definitely have the end of this trend right here, but that definitely doesn't prove that we're back into the uptrend. That just proves that this one set of trend is over. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting patiently for three waves up. I'm waiting for an A, I'm waiting for a B, I'm waiting for a C. I would like to see it go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, maybe to 50 to 61.8, make a nice big engulfing move to the downside, nice big break of structure. That's what's going to prove that that wave C is over, and that's what's going to get me back into selling for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.